Feel like your metabolism has been slowing down? Use these few tips to kickstart your metabolism into high gear. There are many ways to kickstart your metabolism, and most of which do not require you to start a demanding diet or complicated exercise routine. Here are some of our favorite ways to kickstart your metabolism. 1. Water, water, water. There is no more efficient way to kickstart your metabolism than to drink water. Water is essential for all processes in the body, and without water, everything slows down and becomes sluggish. Aim for 8 or more glasses a day. 2. Drink coffee or tea. A cup of coffee or tea can both help to speed up your metabolism. So whether you prefer a morning dose of strong coffee or a later afternoon green tea, adding tea or coffee to your diet can help. 3. Eat enough. Ensure you are meeting your basic needs for nutrients and calories, or you will find yourself overeating later in the day. Eating enough also ensure you have the energy to do all the things you need to do. 4. Breakfast daily. Ever wondered why people say breakfast is the most important meal of the day? It is because your brain is unable to store glucose, and so if you don't eat in the morning, your brain won't be up to full speed, which could also lead to poor choices later in the day and reduced ability to concentrate and work. 5. Focus on fiber. Fiber has so many health benefits. It can help to clear out wastes in your body and help you feel fuller longer. Add fiber to your diet to help kick up your metabolism and clear out the wastes that are slowing you down. 6. Eat iron-rich foods. Iron is an important nutrient for ensuring that oxygen gets to all the cells in your body. Without oxygen getting to your cells, all your bodily processes will slow down, including your metabolism. 7. Exercise. Exercise is a very important part of gearing up your metabolism. Muscles burn more calories than fat does, so ensure you are working out to build lean muscle mass. Add daily exercise into your life to ensure you are always keeping your metabolism up.